Farmer fury on roads. Farmers continue to pour in. Delhi deadlocked. Farmer government talks hit stalemate. Farmers refuse to touch food offered at the meeting. Farmers take own packed lunch. Amit Shah meets the Punjab Chief Minister. Punjab civil society joins protest. Folk music booms of farmer support. Trust deficit peaks. Who will blink first? Farmers or the government?
All right, let's just begin with the latest news break that is coming in from the meeting which is ensuing at the Vigyan Bhavan between the farmers and the government. It's been over 7.5 straight hours, viewers, right now, and the meeting continues. The talks are underway. What we do know is the latest, what's going on inside. We're telling you exactly what is going on. The Agriculture Minister, Narendra Singh Tomar, is right now currently answering questions of farmers. The farmers have given him a 10-page dossier which has detailed of every aspect of those 3 laws that the farmers are opposing. Now, Narendra Tomar, the Agriculture Minister, is telling farmers that their concern on MSP is genuine and there won't be any change in it. He says they want a strong MSP for farmers. That is what Tomar, the Agriculture Minister, is saying right now. But the question is, will he legalize it in any aspect at all? That is what the farmers want, and they are stuck on that demand. So this is what is taking place. Viewers, let's break it down on how that 7.5-hour meeting is continuing. It started at about noon this afternoon. And till now, as we speak, the meeting is on. Various parts of that 7.5 hours, we were told, hit a deadlock, a stalemate, where the farmers kept asking the government to revert, go back to their demand of repealing the 3 laws. The government, on its part, kept trying to make the farmers understand what they feel is in their favor, these 3 laws. On the sidelines of it all, the protest is peaking. The groundswell for farmers is peaking. Who will blink first in this Mexican standoff? Take a look.
It was round 2 of talks between the centre and the farmers.
भारत सरकार किसानों से लगातार चर्चा कर रही है और मुझे आशा है कि चर्चा के सकारात्मक परिणाम निकलेंगे।
भाई भूमि अधिग्रहण एक्ट सरकार ने सारी पार्टी के लोग बुलाए, सारे संगठन बुलाए, उनको अपने विश्वास में लिया, सब लोगों ने अपनी ड्राफ्टिंग करी और उसके बाद में एक दुनिया का बहुत बेहतरीन कानून देश में आया। हम भी तो कह रहे हैं कि नया ड्राफ्ट आ जाए कोई, तो सब लोग बैठ के उसमें चर्चा कर लेंगे, आ जाएगा ड्राफ्ट।
तो यानी अगर आज एश्योरेंस देती है सरकार की एमएसपी से नीचे कर,
इंश्योरेंस लिखित में चाहिए सरकार दे।
Over 6 hours of talks until now, no breakthrough. Have the talks hit a stalemate? As per sources, the government kept trying to explain the various facets of farm laws, trying to allay farmer fears, making the farmers see that the laws were in their favor. The farmers kept reverting to their demand of total rollback of all 3 farm laws. The farmers refusing to even touch the lunch offered at the meeting and got their own lunch delivered. Same with tea. An ambulance from Bangla Sahib Gurudwara delivered the tea. While the trust deficit peaks between the farmers and the government, protesting farmers continue to pour in, blocking Delhi borders, though seen making way for only ambulances. Politics is rife over the Mexican standoff. Former Punjab Chief Minister and Akali Dal leader Prakash Singh Badal returned his Padma Vibhushan, citing farmer betrayal. The Congress, meanwhile, has asked for an urgent winter session to be convened to discuss farmer issues. On the other hand, the farmer protest has found support in Punjab civil society and celebrities. If Diljit Dosanjh attacked Kangana over the farmer cause on Twitter, then local folk music every day is seeing new protest songs booming in support. The question is, who will blink first, the farmers or the government?
So let me tell you what's happening right now in a meeting that has now gone over 7.5 hours. The agriculture minister, as we speak, is telling the farmers, who are about 40, representing 40 farm unions, telling them that they understand their fears over MSP. They will keep a very strong MSP. The farmers on their account are saying, if you're saying that you're going to keep a strong MSP and it's going to stay, put it on paper. Who'll blink first? Well, let's cut across right now to our panelists this evening. I have R.P. Singh, BJP spokesperson. In a very short while, we'll be joined by Avik Saha, National Convener, Jai Kisan Andolan. We also have Ashok Balyan, farmer leader. And in a very short while again, we'll be joined by Vijay Jevandhia, founder, member, Shetkari Sangathan. I want to begin with you, Mr. Singh. Sir, ultimately, it seems to have come down on one very basic fact, which is the MSP. We heard Mr. Tiket, we've heard union leaders of at least 35 organizations who say, if you are saying that you're going to hold on to a very strong MSP, why not just put it on paper, legalize it, amend the law, say MSP is legal, and then we'll call off the protest. Why not, sir? Why not legalize it? Why not put it on paper?
Preeti, before I answer your question, I need to make a small point and observation. That is for Kangana Ranaut, because she disrespected my mother. I respect her for her courage, for her acting, everything. But I have not feared that she can disrespect my mother. I mean, that is very bad of her, and I'm hopeful that she will apologize for that. Now, coming to your point, the issue is that the minister is on record in the parliament, on the floor of the house. When a minister says something on the floor of the house, that is like a God's word. I mean, no minister can deny what is being said on the floor of the house. The agriculture minister on the floor of the house said that MSP will stay. And then you know better than anyone else, you have covered parliament, you have covered politics, that whatever is being said in parliament can't be taken back by anyone.
Mr. Singh, as I want to cut across to the other farmers, but I'll just, okay. So it's been said on the floor that MSP is not going anywhere. Then why not amend the law? Put it on papers what they're saying, to make sure if tomorrow a private player comes in to buy their produce, he will not be able to buy less than the MSP. That's what they're asking.
Yeah, there's a difference here, and I'm hopeful this will be clarified, and then this will be sorted out in the meeting. I should not comment on that right now, since the meeting is going on. There's a little confusion on that. And then, as I said, MSP is going to stay. MSP is not going. Now, how do they work it out? That's between the minister and the union, the farmers' union. And I'm hopeful the outcome will be positive on that.
All right, as we wait for our other guests, let's cut across to Mr. Balyan. Balyan ji, आपने आरपी सिंह जी को तो सुना होगा, वो कह रहे हैं अगर मिनिस्टर ने पार्लियामेंट के फ्लोर पे बोल दिया एमएसपी कहीं नहीं जा रहा, अगर प्रधानमंत्री ने बोल दिया, तो इसमें इतनी दिक्कत क्यों है जब वो साफ कह रहे हैं एमएसपी देंगे?
देखिए, किसान एमएसपी जारी रहेगी, जारी नहीं रहेगी, इस पे उसकी इतनी शंका नहीं है। इस क्वेश्चन को दोबारा से समझने की जरूरत है। किसान
चाहता है कि एमएसपी घोषित होने के बाद भी उसकी फसल एमएसपी से नीचे के मूल्य पर बिकती है। इसी की गारंटी चाहता है किसान। ये उसकी मांग उचित है। एमएसपी पीएम ने बोल दिया है, कृषि मंत्री ने बोल दिया है, उस पर मैं समझता हूँ कि किसान की शंकाएं दूर होनी चाहिए और प्रधानमंत्री जी पर उस बात का भरोसा करना चाहिए। लेकिन जो असली बात है वो है, किसान चाहता है कि उसकी फसल एमएसपी से नीचे न बिके। वो चाहे मंडियों में खरीद हो, चाहे मंडियों से बाहर जो नंबर 1 कानून जो कृषि के 3 सुधार के कानून है, उसके आधार पर चाहे वो मंडी से बाहर किसान के दरवाजे पर खरीदे। तो किसान किसान ये चाहता है कि एमएसपी से नीचे न बिकना। जैसे केंद्र सरकार ने, मैंने कल भी एक बात रखी थी कि शुगर को लेकर आवश्यक वस्तु अधिनियम के अधिकारों का इस्तेमाल करते हुए केंद्र सरकार ने शुगर का न्यूनतम बिक्री मूल्य तय किया था, अर्थात देश के किसी भी चीनी मिल से जो भी कोई सौदा होगा चीनी का, उस न्यूनतम बिक्री मूल्य से नीचे नहीं होगा। यही व्यवस्था किसान अपनी जो उनकी फसलों के दाम तय किए जाते हैं 22, 23, 24 फसलों के दाम, उन पर लागू कराना चाहता है।
जी बाल्यान जी, आप मेरे साथ बने रहिए। आई हैव Avik Saha as well, the national convener, Jai Kisan Andolan. Mr. Saha, what do you expect from the meeting which is continuing right now? We know your organization was not invited in it, but having said that, what do you think would be the takeaway? Because right now it seems to be hitting a stalemate of sorts.
First, to correct a misconception, my organization is Jai Kisan Andolan, which is one of the 32 Punjab farmers organizations, and our leader there is very much in the meeting. Second, if you're talking about AIKCC, of which I'm the secretary, that has formed the Sanyukt Kisan Morcha, and several key leaders are in the meeting. The farmers are represented in the meeting. Expectations, if the Prime Minister says that the law is perfect and then nothing can be, that needs to be changed, and the farmers are convinced that the laws are not in favor of the farmers and need to be dumped, I do not know what the middle meeting ground is. I'm sure they are talking, they've been talking for several hours, they are trying to reach somewhere, but there is a huge difference between what the government is wanting and what the farmers want. So I don't see a quick resolution, and I don't see this meeting to be the conclusive meeting, but I could be completely wrong. Those inside know much better than I do.
Well, it seems those inside are about to come outside, because we have word coming in that the meeting has is ended. It's convened is what we are after 7.5 hours of being it convened from the noon this afternoon. Now it's ended. We don't know what's really come out of that meeting, but Mr. Saha, what is it going to now filter down to farmers, many of them still marching towards Delhi? Because if there is no middle ground, then this continues, it seems.
The farmers want the laws to go. The government has to find a middle ground. The government, instead of trying to meet the farmers, dug up roads on which the farmers were coming. I'm sure the government has changed its position since then and will try to understand what the farmers want. If the government keeps repeating what it wants,
Mr. Saha,
and
may I interrupt you, sir? I'm sorry I'm coming in, and the reason I'm coming in is that the meeting is over and there's been no breakthrough. So the stalemate, all right, so the stalemate continues. Now there's a third round of meeting is what we are breaking right now, and it will happen on the 6th of December. 5th of December, 5th, yes, that's when that meeting will happen, which is day after tomorrow. So a third round of meeting planned, no breakthrough in the second meeting, so the stalemate continues. Yes, Mr. Saha, you now do carry on.
This morning, the farmers' unions, some of them, not all, had announced that they will march to Delhi, and many Delhi groups, solidarity groups had sprung up, and they were going to march in Jantar Mantar. I do not think that this continuing protest is good for the government, but the government has to understand that. The farmers have to go back with one very clear thing, that the government is not going to implement these laws. If the government is ready for understanding this position and the government finds a way to accommodate this position, we have a breakthrough. If the government continues to insist that these laws are good and the farmers must understand, several BJP spokespersons are saying that the farmers need to understand what the government wants. I'm sorry, that's not the way forward, and that's not how it happened. Leaders on the ground and the huge number of farmers who've come from the ground will finally determine the course of this agitation, not people like me sitting in channels, and not even the leaders of several major organizations. It is the farmers who've braved this cold weather, and they will decide what is to be done. The government should clearly understand the requirement and the need of the farmers, and the government should respond.
All right, stay with me, Mr. Saha. I want to go back to RP Singh from the Bharatiya Janata Party. Mr. Singh, now the second round of meeting has ended. It's, hit a stalemate again. There is no breakthrough. another round called, which is the third round, which will happen day after tomorrow.
The good part is that the meeting is on. The next round of meeting is on, and then this is how generally the negotiation goes. You have various round of meetings, and in that probably some way out is brought out. So I'm hopeful that something will happen in the next meeting. We are positive about it, and then because I don't know what exactly has transpired in today's meeting and what step has been taken by both the government and by the farmers. So I'll wait for the brief, but I'm hopeful by next meetings solution will happen. If they are okay with the next meeting, it means things are in the right direction.
We're going to try and get in a word. We're going to cut across to our reporters on ground. But Balyan Sahab, अब तीसरी मीटिंग होगी परसों. अभी तक कुछ नहीं निकला है, कोई ब्रेक थ्रू नहीं निकला है.
ठीक है, आज ये वार्ता थी और 2 दिन पहले वार्ता हुई थी और इसमें कोई रास्ता.
बालियान जी थोड़ा 1 मिनट रुकिएगा. एग्रीकल्चर मिनिस्टर बोल रहे हैं, एक बार सुन लेते हैं क्या कह रहे हैं.
बाकी प्राइवेट चैनल वो सब बाहर है, उसको दोबारा भी यहाँ बुला लो, इधर बुला लो, सबको यहाँ बुलाओ.
आज किसान यूनियन के साथ भारत सरकार की चौथे चरण की चर्चा पूरी हुई है. इस चर्चा में हमारे कॉमर्स मिनिस्टर माननीय पीयूष गोयल जी, माननीय सोम प्रकाश जी और सभी अधिकारी उपस्थित थे. सभी आमंत्रित श्रेणी की किसान यूनियन ने इस बैठक में भाग लिया. बहुत ही सौहार्द वातावरण में चर्चा हुई. यूनियंस के लोगों ने अपना पक्ष रखा और सरकार ने भी अपना पक्ष रखा. 2-3 दौर की चर्चा और आज की चर्चा में सामान्य तौर पर कुछ बिंदु निकाले गए हैं जिन पर किसान यूनियन की चिंता मुख्य रूप से है. हम लोग प्रारंभ से ये बात कह रहे थे कि भारत सरकार किसानों के हितों के प्रति पूरी तरह प्रतिबद्ध है और आने वाले कल में रहेगी. सरकार का कोई ईगो नहीं है और सरकार हर विषय पर पूरा खुले मन से किसान यूनियन के साथ चर्चा कर रही थी. किसान यूनियन और किसानों की चिंता है कि जो नया एक्ट आया है उससे एपीएमसी वो ख़त्म हो जाएगी. भारत सरकार इस बात पर विचार करेगी कि एपीएमसी सशक्त हो और एपीएमसी का उपयोग और बढ़े. जहां तक नए एक्ट का सवाल है उसमें एपीएमसी परिधि के बाहर प्राइवेट मंडियों का प्रावधान है. तो प्राइवेट मंडियां आएंगी, लेकिन प्राइवेट मंडी और जो एपीएमसी एक्ट के अंतर्गत बनी हुई मंडियां हैं उन दोनों में कर की समानता हो. और ये इस पर भी हम लोग विचार करेंगे. और साथ ही यह भी बात आई कि जब मंडी परिधि के बाहर ट्रेड होगा तो वो सिर्फ पैन कार्ड से ही होगा. तो पैन कार्ड तो आजकल किसी को भी मिल जाता है, तो ट्रेडर का रजिस्ट्रेशन होना चाहिए. तो ट्रेडर का रजिस्ट्रेशन हो, यह भी हम लोग निश्चित रूप से सुनिश्चित करेंगे. नए एक्ट में यह प्रावधान था कि अगर कोई विवाद होता है तो वो एसडीएम कोर्ट में जाएगा. यूनियन की चिंता है कि एसडीएम कोर्ट छोटा कोर्ट है और न्यायालय में उन्हें जाने की अनुमति होनी चाहिए. इस बात पर यूनियंस का काफ़ी बल था और इसलिए हम लोगों ने उस विषय को भी अलग से निकाला कि सरकार उस पर विचार करे कि एसडीएम कोर्ट रहे, न्यायालय रहे. इस दिशा में भी निश्चित रूप से हम लोग विचार करने के लिए पूरी तरह ओपन हैं. और साथ ही उन लोगों ने फराली के विषय में भी एक ऑर्डिनेंस है, उस पर भी उनकी शंका है. विद्युत एक्ट है, उस पर भी उनकी शंका है. इस दिशा में भी बातचीत की थी. तो इसमें भी सरकार पूरी तरह विचार करने के लिए ओपन है. और एक बात और चलाई जा रही है कि नए कानून के वजह से छोटे किसान की जो जमीन है उसको बड़े लोग हथिया लेंगे. वैसे तो एक्ट के जो प्रावधान हैं उसमें किसान को पूरी तरह सुरक्षा प्रदान की गई है. कहीं से लेकर कहीं तक कोई भी किसान की जमीन की लिखा पढ़ी नहीं कर सकता है. इस बात का प्रावधान एक्ट में ही है, लेकिन फिर भी लोगों की शंका है, तो शंका का निवारण करने के लिए सरकार तैयार है। एमएसपी के मामले में लोग शंका की दृष्टि से देखते हैं, लेकिन मैं फिर यह कहना चाहता हूं कि एमएसपी चल रही थी, एमएसपी चल रही है, आने वाले कल में भी चलती रहेगी। इसकी आश्वस्ति भी हम किसान भाइयों को दिलाएंगे।
क्या दोबारा बैठक होगी?
आज बैठक का चौथा चरण समाप्त हुआ है और परसों दोपहर में 2 बजे दोबारा से यूनियन के साथ सरकार की बातचीत होगी और किसी अंतिम निर्णय पर हम लोग पहुंचेंगे।
अभी तक सकारात्मक आपको लगता है कि एक शुरुआत है, सकारात्मक की तरफ रास्ता जा रहा है?
मुझे लगता है आज बहुत अच्छे वातावरण में चर्चा हुई है और किसानों ने बहुत ठीक से अपने विषयों को रखा है। सरकार के पक्ष को किसान यूनियन ने पूरे संयम के साथ सुना है और उसके बाद जो बिंदु निकले हैं उन बिंदुओं पर हम सब लोगों की लगभग सहमति बनी है कि इन पर सरकार विचार करेगी। तो परसों बैठेंगे तो इस बात को और आगे बढ़ाएंगे।
आंदोलन खत्म करने को लेकर किसी तरीके का सफाई दी है किसानों ने?
आंदोलन के मामले में अभी कोई बात उन्होंने नहीं की है, लेकिन मैं आपके माध्यम से किसान नेताओं से भी, किसानों से भी अनुरोध करना चाहता हूं कि सर्दी का सीजन है, सरकार बातचीत कर ही रही है और लगातार सरकार वार्ता में है, तो निश्चित रूप से वार्ता में जो मुद्दे आएंगे वो समाधान तक पहुंचेंगे। इसलिए आंदोलन समाप्त करें तो उनके लिए भी अच्छा है और आंदोलन के कारण दिल्ली के निवासियों को भी जो तकलीफ हो रही है उससे दिल्ली के नागरिकों को निजात मिलेगी।
ठीक है, थैंक यू सर।
ठीक है।
All right, so that's the big news break that is coming in. There seems to have been a breakthrough. Everybody was saying that it's hit a stalemate. There seems to have been a breakthrough. Why we say there seems to have been a breakthrough is, viewers, you heard the agriculture minister there. Till now, the government has been very strong in its stand on MSP and APMCs, the mandis. For the first time, you've had the agriculture minister come out after a meeting addressing the press, and he says on 2 core issues. When he said the government is open right now to conversations with the farmers on number 1, strengthening APMCs. As per the law, viewers, APMCs would have been taken away mostly. So the government seeming to soften its stand on APMCs. And number 2, which is extremely important on the issue of APMCs, you had the agriculture minister says that the government is open to talks on having the same MSP in APMCs, which are mandis, and on the other hand, private mandis. The same MSP, the government is open to talks on that. There seems to be a softening of stand by the government. Right now, this is what it looks like. The ball now shifts in the farmers' court. Will they relent? Will the government come good in when they are saying they're open to this conversation with the farmers? They're open to talks. We'll only know day after tomorrow, 2 p.m, when the 3rd round of talks happen between the farmers and the government. To stay tuned, up next is Rahul Kanwar.